Hey guys, it's Drew here. I'm in the Chevy Tahoe today, and I've been having a little bit of a rough start every now and then. When I start the vehicle, it's choking a little bit. It's had a little trouble with the gas. Let's see how it goes. It started okay, so that's a good thing. Although I've been at stoplights or as soon as I put the car in reverse, sometimes it'll stall out a little bit. Let's see how it treats it. So far, so good. I don't have any loss of power yet, but I've had it stall out on me a couple times when I've been pulling out. So, anywho, I'll show you how to resolve this. I do have a service engine soon light on. I got to figure that one out. But anyway, I think I left it on my bumper here too. So, yep, I almost pulled away with that on there. Don't want to do that. Okay, so if you're having trouble starting your truck or your car, anything, not necessarily trouble starting, but this is called Seafoam, okay? And there's instructions on here. It says put in like 1 ounce per gallon. But I've obviously got something in my gas because the car is choking and stalling out every now and then. Part of this makes me believe the cause of this is actually, at one point I put in some fuel injector cleaner where I actually wanted to increase my gas mileage, and I think what it did was it cleaned out my fuel injectors, and a lot of that junk went into my gas tank, or it's clogging up my fuel filter. So you gotta pull this little grenade top on here. There we go. Now I'm gonna be pretty generous with this. I'm probably gonna use the entire thing. So you just pour it into your gas tank. So if your car is starting or stalling out a little bit, it's possible it's something with your gas. So just use a whole bottle of Seafoam, and it sort of gets in there and it cleans stuff out. It really does. This is a great stuff. So anyway, I'm not really going to be able to show you the results, and of course that startup didn't really work well, but this stuff is great. Seafoam, it really works. It says it cleans your injectors, but it actually, if you have like water or contaminated gas, it actually seems to just fix that. So if your car is starting intermittently, it could also be your spark plugs, things like that. But first step is probably try this. It's about $6 at Walmart. It's usually $9 or $10 at AutoZone, so I do skip AutoZone for buying that. Yeah, Seafoam is a great thing if you're having a little bit of trouble and your car's starting or stalling out a little bit, not quite getting full ability to run. Okay, well guys, give this a try if you're having some automotive problems. It's the first step if your car isn't starting fully. And as I said, there's instructions on here. I put the whole bottle in, but it does say to use 1 ounce for each quart of oil, 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. Now this is a 28 gallon tank, something like that. So I just put the whole bottle in. I don't think it can hurt to put the whole bottle in. So, alright guys, well I hope this helps. If you're having some trouble and your car is stalling out a little bit, try a bottle of Seafoam. It really does work. And it's also, just good to put one in every now and then to clean things out. But especially if you have water in your gas, Seafoam's going to be your first step, because whatever's causing your car to stall out kind of slowly, this can usually fix it. If not, even if your spark plugs are dirty, it'll probably spray a little on your spark. It'll probably get on the heads of your spark plugs when it's, Anyway, if not, you can always go see a mechanic or try a couple other things. But my next step is, if it keeps stalling out, is going to be to check my spark plugs and replace those. But anyway, either way, something is clogging up my fuel filter, because every now and then my car will just stall out when I start it. And it's ironic it didn't do it today on the video. Alright guys, this is Drew. Subscribe if this video helped you. Give it a thumbs up, and I wish you luck. Thanks.